Munini wa musumbi na mutetei wa kivila cha Usumbi na tikiti wa kyama cha UDA William Ruto kwa ivinda yingi niwamwenda Mutongoi wa ODM na mutetei wa Usumbi na Azimio Raila Odinga akeetikila mausungio usakuani munene wa mwei wa nyaanya Ainena na amemba ngwatanio ya atandithya mbene KEPSA musyyini wa Ilovi kwi umuthi Ruto niwaendeea na kwikunia maleve aiwetakana asakuata musumbi akokilia ukwati wa nthi ino Benjamin Mwaka na ili vote kwa withiana.
Munini wa President William Ruto niwenda sindani make mukalini wa Azimio la Umoja mawete sanzo kana akeetikila mausungio kivila cha Usumbi unyuvanini munene ukite aisungia unene wa Mutongoi wa ngwatanio ya Azimio Raila Odinga wa kwiyo kuyaungelesa balona wetie we akeetikila mausungio Usumbi kwa wiki ithyo umwe ethiwa unyuvani ukethwa wina uwo na haki. Ruto yuenda Raila na ndumaka kuvetangalisilya ya kuosa maunyuvanita kindu cha thayu na kiku na kuweka kutisya NND.
And we are committed to respect the outcome of the election and the decision of the people of Kenya unequivocally and without conditions. I wish our competitors can do the same. They have never done it in the past. They are yet to do it. I have listened to them carefully. They keep saying, oh, you know, we will accept the results if. When you say if, I mean if in whose judgment?
Ruto kwa ivinda ingi nwathingila wende na thina na kwitikila mausungio monyuvani ni kwithwa ena mwikio na uthukumi wanza makunga wenyuvani ya IEBC na da sindani make kunenga ndaye uthukumi wa mivya yungamie Tanzania IEBC no kana kuikithya uthukumi wa mivya ni wa kuikika ni kila mwene nthi.
I am giving you my commitment here unequivocally, publicly, that I will accept the outcome of the election whichever way it goes, because elections are not a matter of life and death.
Mutongoi wa Azimio Raila Odinga inena nthini wa Chatham House kuyaungelesa kwiyo nunawetie ni maendeea kuatia makina manzama ya IEBC kwa idho ya unthini no kana kuikithya ni yala nyonyuvani wena uwo na umelu.
We have actually said that if this is free and fair and we win or we lose fairly, we will accept the result either way, so long as it's free and fair.
Ruto inena kavindani kale komanisi na maofisa kuma ngwatanio ya mavyasala mbene KEPSA kikaloni kila kivikitoni ndongo ingi sia ngwatanio ya Kenya kwanza we na ndongo isionde kikaloni kini sia thingi lavatoa kutoa isia kampeni na univani wa mugo no kana kuikithya muyana mavyasala niwaendeea mbee na itina univani munene ukite.
We want to create the institutions that are recognized as essential to function. He has talked of the IG. We want to be able to say that can the real IG step forward? Because right now, if you say you want the IG to step forward, who actually steps forward?
The National Anti-Corruption Conference in 2019 with all the sectors, we all made commitments. Hold us responsible. It shouldn't be only a government affair. What did private sector commit? What did civil society commit? What did the religious sector commit in this area?
Dilivotia vilingi wa mauvo kumava kaunti Ilovi nyeneta wa Benjamin Mwaka.